The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 21, effective until 10 p.m. Central Time. This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Borden, Dawson, Glasscock, Howard, Martin, Midland, Mitchell, and Scurry. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather
Tornado warning.
Issued at 3:41 p.m. Central Time. The National Weather Service in Midland has issued a dust storm warning for eastern Ector County in western Texas, southeastern Andrews County in western Texas, western Midland County in western Texas, Martin County in western Texas, northeastern Crane County in western Texas, northwestern Upton County in western Texas, until 4:30 p.m. Central Time. At 3:39 p.m. Central Time, an aura of thick dust was near Midland and Odessa, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, less than a quarter-mile visibility with damaging wind in excess of 60 miles an hour. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 114 and 147. Locations impacted include Midland, Odessa, Crane, Lenora, Midland International Air and Spaceport, Tarzan, Cotton Flat, Crane County Airport, Warfield, Midland Air Park, SkyWest Airport, Courtney, and Pleasant Farms. Dust storms lead to dangerous driving conditions with visibility reduced to near zero. If driving, avoid dust storms if possible. If caught in one, pull off the road, turn off your lights, and keep your foot off the brake. Strong to severe thunderstorms are also possible behind this dust channel. Keep updated with this quickly evolving situation. Repeating, a dust storm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Central Time for the following counties in Texas: Martin, Midland, Andrews, Crane, Ector, and Upton. A severe thunderstorm warning. The National Weather Service in Midland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Glasscock County in western Texas, Midland County in western Texas, western Howard County in western Texas, southern Martin County in western Texas, northeastern Crane County in western Texas, northwestern Upton County in western Texas, until 4:45 p.m. Central Time. At 3:53 p.m. Central Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles west of Lenora to near Midland to 9 miles southeast of Midland International Air and Spaceport to 17 miles southeast of Odessa, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Midland, Greenwood, Stanton, Lomax, Lenora, Midland International Air and Spaceport, Tarzan, Cotton Flat, Midland Air Park, SkyWest Airport, Courtney, Knott, Stanton Municipal Airport, and Strawberry. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 127 and 170. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Time for western Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. A severe thunderstorm. The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a tornado warning for Central Carson County, West Central Gray County, until 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:52 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Panhandle, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Panhandle, White Deer, Skelletown, and Kingsmill. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Amarillo. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Texas: Carson and Gray.
The following message is relayed at the request of GWES staff. GWES administration officials have raised the icon condition to orange due to ongoing severe weather events occurring in multiple areas in Texas. This icon condition does not apply to the Facebook branch or out of focus OOF server. Please check the announcements channel in the main Discord for more information.
The National Weather Service in Lubbock, Texas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Crosby County in northwestern Texas until 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:56 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lorenzo, or 14 miles west of Crosby, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Crosby, Rawls, Lorenzo, Caprock, and Cohen. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time for northwestern Texas. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time for northwestern Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Weather Service in Midland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Glasscock County in western Texas, southeastern Midland County in western Texas, northwestern Reagan County in western Texas, northeastern Upton County in western Texas, until 6:15 p.m. Central Time. At 5:31 p.m. Central Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles southeast of Greenwood to 15 miles southwest of Garden City to 21 miles northeast of Rankin, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Garden City, St. Lawrence, Midkiff, and Strawberry. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Time for western Texas. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National